Xumo Stream Box uses a Cloud DVR system that stores your recordings on Comcast's servers, not on your local device. To watch your recorded shows, navigate to the Library tab on your Xumo Stream Box or mobile app for iOS and Android. In the library, you'll find your recorded content organized by date, channel, or category, with search filters to help you find what you want. Simply select a recording to start streaming instantly. Playback will resume from where you left off, even across different devices. Keep in mind that downloading for offline viewing isn't currently supported. Free tier users get 10 hours of storage, while premium subscribers enjoy unlimited storage. Managing and optimizing your Xumo Cloud DVR experience involves key steps for recording, storage, and privacy. To record shows, select a program from the live TV grid and hit record. For series, you can set one-time or recurring recordings. Keep an eye on your storage. Free users' oldest recordings are deleted once the 10-hour limit is reached. Xumo's AI-powered auto-tagging helps you find content by genre, actor, or keywords. Your recordings are encrypted and tied to your Xfinity account, ensuring privacy. While ad interruptions can occur, the premium tier, $4.99 a month, removes ads and offers faster cloud access.